Okay, 2038 Pakistani American. This is 6th floor. Oh my god, so tired. Hi, my name is Candy. I run the state center for Teacher 17. I do my petition in Pakistani Avenue, and I will find out that the building is 2038 Pakistani Avenue. The elevator is not working for over 2 months, and I will find out on 6th floor, 5th floor, 4th floor, I have another alley and a parent with a small baby and a character. It's hard to walking down and bring it up to the 6th floor, and they can't do any laundry. They can't really shopping to go to supermarket, and we already report to 311, and we already report to the congresswoman woman, Nicole Mataki, and we hope this thing can fix as soon as possible. Thank you.
Candidate for Senate, District 17, Ken Lee. While he was working for his petitions to be signed in two buildings, buildings number 2038 Cropsey Avenue and building number 2076 Cropsey Avenue. Elevators were not working, 6-floor buildings, and he got upset that how the people from 6th floor will come to the 1st floor, go to their laundries and go for their groceries. He called Pakistani American news channel to raise the voice for to be listened and elevators to be fixed as soon as possible.
I do my petition on Kasi Avenue, and we was found out the building 2076 Kasi Avenue, and out of it doesn't work for 1.5 months, and they do have an elderly and a parent with the small children and carriage. It's inconvenient to walk down and what out there, and we do have a report to 311, and our report complaint number is 311-183-7919184, and also we report for the congresswoman for Nicole Tacker, and hopefully they can fix it the elevator as soon as possible. Thank you.